This is not empowerment. This is a tax on doing business with the state, and it invites fronting. When race is the only key to the door, people fake ownership to get through it. Government have built a fraud machine. Real participation is built by growth, skills, and firms that deliver, not by shutting capable people out because of their scheme. The only procurement system that makes sense chases value for money and service delivery, not race. This draft is a signal. It shows exactly where government wants to take procurement, deeper into BEE, not out of it. This is not a problem for white business only. This is a problem for anyone who believes the state should buy the best at the best price. If you do state work or supply anyone who does, this affects you.